Welcome! In this walkthrough, I'll show you how to connect your GitHub account to your LinkedIn profile in just 7 simple steps. First, make sure you're logged into LinkedIn, then locate your profile icon in the top navigation and give it a click. From the drop-down menu that appears, select View Profile to navigate to your profile page. You'll see a pencil icon near your contact information section. Click that to open up your contact info editor. Look for the website section and paste your GitHub profile URL into the empty field provided. Next, use the drop-down arrow to choose the appropriate website type for your GitHub link. Once everything looks good, click the Save button to lock in your changes. And there you have it. Your GitHub account is now linked to your LinkedIn profile, making it easy for visitors to find your development work. That's all there is to it. You've successfully linked your GitHub to LinkedIn. Feel free to run through this again anytime you need a refresher.